First on our list is the ever-refreshing mint. Whether it's spearmint or peppermint, the cool and invigorating essence of mint adds a delightful twist to hibiscus. The combination creates a harmonious blend of tartness and freshness that's perfect for a revitalizing drink. Citrus fruits like lemon and orange bring a zesty kick to hibiscus. The bright acidity and citrusy aroma complement the tartness of hibiscus, creating a vibrant and uplifting fusion. It's like a citrus symphony in your cup. For a more floral and soothing experience, lavender is an excellent choice. The calming notes of lavender beautifully balance the boldness of hibiscus, resulting in a drink that not only tastes divine but also promotes relaxation. If you're a fan of bold and spicy flavors, ginger is your go-to herb. The warm and spicy kick of ginger complements the tartness of hibiscus, creating a dynamic flavor profile that's both invigorating and comforting. Last but certainly not least, we have rosemary. This herb adds a touch of elegance to hibiscus infusions. Its earthy and aromatic notes enhance the overall complexity, making your drink a sophisticated and flavorful experience. And there you have it, the 5 best herbs to complement hibiscus in your infusions. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or just looking to experiment with flavors, these combinations are sure to elevate your beverage game. Cheers to unlocking the delightful world of herbal harmony. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy sipping.